Hello, I just picked up my Badlands off-road jack. This thing has proven to be a little hard to get. I had to pre-order mine, but I get it today and just got it together. Not much in the way of assembly. It does come in a little flat box there. The wheels are not on, and the handle is broken down into two pieces, and also the little holder for the post extension. Wheels are really easy, just a washer and a nut, 19 millimeter, 3/4. Pick your poison. The handle has a little spring-loaded doodad there, so you can easily take it apart when you're storing it. The post extension is two-piece here, slides into one another. Has a little clevis pin thing here. Yeah, you can see it there. Well, you could right there. See those two button head Allens that they thread into there. And then you got these two bolts that, if you want to use the extension, they thread into there. And then this threads into the base here. You can kind of see, that was a little perturbing. I don't know, it may have been me. Actually, now I think about it, it may have been me, but they kind of cut some threads into the powder coating there. I don't know. This thing's going to get beat up. But my worry is just, I guess, these things backing out while they're bumping around on an off-road vehicle. So I don't know if that holds them in there a little more. That's great. I forgot to check the oil on the hydraulic thing. I will do that, not right now. But it does say that do it in the crappy directions. Rolls, super easy. The wheels do have bearings in them, so that's really cool. What else? The handle works like any other floor jack handle. Little thumb screw right there too. Did I get it right? Yeah. Little thumb screw right there to kind of lock it in. There's a ridge on the bottom. This is neat. Oops. So that unlocks the handle. You flip that down, and it has a detent there, and it just helps you push stuff around. You can, do whatever you want with the front end. There was, or at least I'm going to assume, because I could never find it, there was some kind of lock. So this was like pushed down, and I thought this was locking it in, but I put the handle in there and I couldn't move it. I put some force behind it, and something popped out of there. It's down to plastic. I haven't found it yet. That's noisy. So I hope that's all it was. I didn't break anything. I jacked up a car and it was fine. So hopefully you do better than I do on that. But I'm not going to have any chance to use it off-road for a while, unfortunately. But I do have a gravel driveway, so I'll be able to use it there. And it's actually, the gravel driveway is the primary reason I bought it, because my regular floor jack, floor jacks are designed to roll as they kind of push under the car, I guess, as you lift them higher. And obviously it doesn't do that if you're on gravel, or it doesn't do it very well. So I was always afraid that the car was going to like lever itself off of the jack pad. So scary. So this should be better. This thing is actually bigger, longer than I thought it was going to be. Like I said, I do have a regular floor jack, and it's about the same size, I think. It might be a little shorter. Obviously sits up above the ground, for off-road clearance. This thing looks very solidly built. It's got some weight. It probably weighs as much as my other floor jack. I think my other floor jack's only like 2.5 tons. I don't know if that makes any difference, but whatever. So if I have any issues using it, I will be sure to post another video, but so far I'm pretty impressed. And at half the price of the Pro Eagle, awesome. I've always wanted a Pro Eagle, but $600 for that just always seemed very steep. Badland, Harbor Freight does not, or at least so far that I've figured out, they don't make any kind of like storage, storage thing for it. I don't know if the Pro Eagle stuff works. I'm going to keep my eye open, and if it does, I'll probably just end up getting it. I don't know, does Pro Eagle make like a little cover or something for it? I know they make like, like a mount or whatnot. I'm not sure if they make a cover. So if you're listening, Harbor Freight, you should make a mount and possibly a cover for this. I get pretty dirty on the trails. I'm just saying. But I mean, even just something to store the handle in this thing would be 100% perfect. I may rig something up, maybe like over top of the side handles there. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on how brave I'm feeling. Anyway, got any questions, let me know. I know these things have been all over YouTube. That's where I found out about them. But I ain't really seen anything like as far as unboxing and putting it together. There's not much to put together. It's just the directions sucked and normal shit. And I had no idea about that little locking mechanism. That would have been nice to know about. Anyway, see you on the trail.